Hello everyone. I'm Rahul Rupale, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, I am discussing about basics of coding in Python. This is my first YouTube video. Now, I am some discussing data science topics. Firstly, I'm discussing basics of codings in R Python. Firstly, is using a comments in a Python. How to use comments in a Python? Firstly, a single line comment, and second one is a multiple line comment. In a single line comment, it start with hash symbol, and after hash symbol, line considered as a comment. We have some example right now here. Here, we easily print "Hello World" in a single line comment. Now I run the code, and they show output "Hello World." This is called single line comment. Now I discussing about multiple line comment. So Python does not have a dedicated multiple line command syntax, but you can use triple quote and as a workaround. Now here I am example of multiple line command also. This is a run the code and here show the output. Now moving forward and discussing about executing commands Python. Firstly is using an IDE. Write the following codes in a Python file and run in the IDE. Basically print executing a Python script, print Python scripts only. Now run the Python script executing file, and this is execute. And now moving forward, using a Python sales, open the terminals commands prompts. We give some values: a is equals to 5 and b is equals to 10, and print a plus b. Now also run and give output is a plus b is equals to 15. Now third one is a running a Python script from a commands line, creating a Python script. Script is basically we giving some inputs like enter your name and print hello. We name and welcome to Python scripting. Now run the code and enter a name RAHUL and press enter only. So giving hello Rahul, welcome to Python script. Now fourth one is using uh, Jupyter Notebook. Write Python codes in Shell and executing it by pressing Shift plus Enter. Basically, Python notes Jupyter Notebook है ये, and for range is I two, for range is I, and range is 1 to 6. Print line range. So only they show only 5 lines because they tends to only 5, not including a 6. Now import pandas as pd and imports numpy as an np. Note that we import the packages using import. What about the as a pd and nd np code afterward? The code rename the packages using the name that we can specify. We rename packages to the working. For example, we will using the decisions tree classifications and export graphywise commands as for a scalar tree packages. For a scalar tree, import decision tree classifier, export graphywise. Now run the code and basically is make import and decision tree and export graphywise. Now moving forward, getting data into Python. Firstly is now we will discuss how to get data into a Python. We will use the read versus command using the following structures. Import panda as a PD, and after importing the pandas package, we can access the read CSV command by typing PD. To use a read CSV commands, type PD followed by the period. For example, we need to important the California housing training data, etc. The code to import the data is the house trend is equals to pd dot read as csv. Now, uh, giving some address and run the code, and here we see execute the code. Now uh, moving forward is saving outputs Python. Saving output Python is let us illustrate the difference between running a commands and not the save output. If we make a continuously table and save it in order to make a bar chart using the table. So basically, we giving some commands and we giving some commands and run the code. So here we some outputs is that household populations and some ratios is here and some shows the codes and that's it. Now moving forward, accessing record and variable in Python. Firstly is accessing variable in Python. Firstly, assign the values of variables as we take x is equals to 10 and name is Alice. So we giving some inputs and some taking outputs is printing x and printing y basically. So they give outputs. Now second is accessing record in list reload ordered collection in a Python. uh, Creating a list to record numbers. Firstly, we give numbers 1 to 10 to 15 and ascending order by indexing. Now print first record and print last record. Now giving some inputs and taking some outputs is taking firstly is number is 10 and last number is a 15. Here third point is accessing record in dictionaries as a directory. Dictionary stores data in a key values pairs. Also creating a dictionaries, we giving a person name, age and cities. Basically person, age and cities. Now name person and age person, print name and print age. So we have some outputs here, allies and uh, we print only name and print only age. So uh, they give only name and age. Now fourth one is accessing record in a pandas data frame. Now importing panda as a pd, creating a data frame. Creating a data, we giving some data and a name, age, city. Name is Alice, Bob and Charlie's, and age is also giving age 25, 30 and 35. Cities also New York, Los Angeles and Chicago. Now some has a data frame as a name and print name also, and we ascending specific cells by row and columns, print age of allies. So output is waiting for outputs and giving some output is 0, allies, Bob and Charlie's, and name, d type and objects. So basically name Bob, age 30 and city is Los Angeles. Name 1, d type object 25. So here some outputs for pandas data frames. And now lastly we discuss about accessing record in tuple are similar to list but immutable. You can access their element by index just like this. List, creating a tuple, person tuple. We make a person tuple like Alice, 30 and New York. Basically Alice is name, 30 is age and New York is a city. Now print name and age. So here's output is name and age. Age is name is Alice and age is 30. So hope you understand the basics of coding in R Python, and thank you for watching.